These days, united 101 countries and international organizations, big success for Ukraine and for all partners. And our fair objective is to get all countries of the world join this noble cause. Previous political generations have left us the UN Charter as a basis for the cooperation of peoples. We will pass to the next generations an effective mechanism to implement the UN Charter, and the communiqué adopted at the summit these days fully reflects our intention and remains open for accession by everyone who respects the UN Charter. It's important that all participants of the summit supported Ukraine's territorial integrity, because there will be no lasting peace without territorial integrity.